A 30-day tax waiver has been granted for specific goods being imported in Jamaica as of October 29. During a special press briefing this morning, Information Minister Dana Morris-Dixon said those who send aid to the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, will be granted the exemption.
Those who are sending it, if you send it to ODPEM, then that is definitely going to get all of the clearances and will get all of the tax exemptions. So once it's consigned to ODPEM, those will come. We're also looking at other facilities. I know persons are asking about barrels and so on, and we will give an answer to that on the barrels.
Jamaica Customs Agency in a statement said import duty and GCT have been temporarily suspended for anyone sending critical relief supplies to their families. It includes food, clothing, toiletries, items for rebuilding, generators, among other things. A full list of the items can be found online at the Jamaica Customs Agency website. TVJ News will also be posting the list on our social media platforms. The waiver will expire on November 28. Items imported before October 29 will not qualify for the waiver. Now, business operators in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth are counting their losses after Hurricane Melissa. It's a process which could take months or, as one businessman believes, years. Details in this report.
A place of commerce, sections of which now reduced to rubble. For some business operators in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, it's very difficult to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Audley Fagan is the owner and manager of Advanced Refrigeration Service.
I don't think we can recover if the two superpowers don't help us, you know. We need both America and Russia right in our back, you know.
Delroy Slowly is the owner of True Bargain Hardware. He's mobilized work crews to help clear the rubble in the town.
The first matter at hand is to clear the main thoroughfare. So my team and I were clearing down here in Santa Cruz. We had a situation, as you can see the operation in the back there, to allow the free flow of the traffic through the town.
And even in the construction, some farmers were selling the only things they could salvage from their farms.
Everything mash up us out.
So you managed to reach here?
Eh?
I pull that since morning?
No, for Sunday. For Sunday, for reach us out with it. I see everything mash up.
Yeah, we try to sell where they mash up, then I will pick up and carry come in the market.
Of note, the Ruby's gas station was looted, adding to the plight of the owners. People we spoke with say it could take up to 5 or maybe 10 years to fully recover. For a very long time, Hurricane Gilbert was considered the mother of all hurricanes, but after Melissa,
this made Gilbert looks like child. It is bad.
For the Financial Week, I'm Janella Precious.